Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you people will be fine. So today I'm going to teach you the subject of science. So open your book of science and page number 5. As you know, in the last period I learned you different parts of the body. So today our topic is same, and so look at your book and listen to me very carefully. So here we see a girl. She's showing us different parts of her face. First of all, as you see in your books, there is forehead. What is this? This is a forehead. And what is spelling of forehead? Forehead, forehead. And the next is eye. What is this? Eye. Next is eye, and the spelling of eye, Eye. And the next is ear. What is this? Ear. Ear. And the next is cheek. Next is cheek. 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 And the next is chin. What is this? Chin. Chin. And the next is lip. What is this? Lip. And the spelling of lip, lip. And the next is nose. What is this? Nose. Nosc, nose. And the last is hair. What is this? Hair. 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 So students, you people will be read this page 5 times and practice this lesson at your homes. Okay, thank you.